This SUV will cost you $85,000 brand new, while this one, you can pick it up for under $15,000 in the used market. And here's the part most people don't expect. The cheaper option is exactly what many families end up trusting the most. You know why? Because when it comes to real-world family driving, reliability, comfort, and long-term ownership matter more than badge names and luxury price tags. But not every budget SUV is worth your money. Some look great on the outside, but become a nightmare when it comes to maintenance, fuel costs, and daily usability. So today, we're breaking down the best budget SUVs you can actually rely on, the ones that deliver where it truly counts. Number 10. Volkswagen Tiguan, 2016 to 2019. The Volkswagen Tiguan has always taken a slightly different approach compared to its Japanese rivals. When it was introduced in this generation, VW focused on delivering a more refined European driving experience instead of just building another basic compact SUV. That's why even today, the Tiguan feels more polished than many vehicles in this price range. Under the hood, most models come with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers smooth power and confident highway performance. It's paired with a comfortable suspension setup that prioritizes ride quality over sportiness. Inside, the Tiguan stands out with a clean, minimalistic design, solid materials, and a layout that feels closer to an entry-level luxury SUV than a budget crossover. Now compare it to something like an Audi Q3. On paper, the Q3 gives you the badge and slightly sharper performance, but it also comes with significantly higher maintenance costs and more long-term complexity. The Tiguan, on the other hand, delivers a very similar driving feel and interior experience, but in a much more affordable and manageable package. For families, this translates into something important. It's comfortable, easy to drive, and refined enough to make long trips feel relaxed. It doesn't scream for attention, but it quietly delivers a better experience than most people expect. If you want something that feels more refined than typical budget SUVs, the Tiguan stands out immediately. It delivers a near-luxury experience without exposing you to luxury-level maintenance risks. In the used market, you can easily find a well-maintained Tiguan in good condition for around $10,000 to $14,000. Number 9. Chevrolet Traverse, 2015 to 2018. The Chevrolet Traverse was built with one very clear mission: maximize space for families without pushing them into expensive full-size SUVs. And that focus still makes it one of the most practical vehicles you can buy under $15,000 today. This generation of the Traverse comes equipped with a strong 3.6-liter V6 engine that delivers solid power, especially when fully loaded with passengers and cargo. But the real highlight is the interior space. It offers one of the largest cabins in its class with 3 rows that are genuinely usable, not just for kids, but even for adults on shorter trips. The cargo capacity is equally impressive, making it ideal for road trips, luggage, and everyday family needs. Now compare it to something like a Chevy Tahoe. The Tahoe offers more power and a stronger presence, but it also comes with a much higher purchase price, worse fuel economy, and heavier long-term costs. The Traverse gives you most of that practicality, especially interior space, without the financial burden. For families, this is where it becomes a smart decision. You're getting a vehicle that can handle everything from school runs to long-distance travel, without constantly reminding you of its size or cost. If your priority is space and flexibility, the Traverse is one of the most practical options available at this price point. It delivers real family usability without forcing you into a bigger, more expensive SUV. In the used market, you can easily find a clean Traverse for around $10,000 to $15,000 in good condition. Number 8. Ford Edge, 2015 to 2018. The Ford Edge was never designed to be flashy or aggressive. Instead, Ford focused on creating a mid-size SUV that prioritizes comfort, smooth driving, and everyday usability. And over time, that decision has aged incredibly well. Under the hood, the Edge offers a range of engines, including a reliable, naturally aspirated V6 and efficient turbocharged options. But what really stands out is the driving experience. The suspension is tuned for comfort, the cabin is quiet, and the overall feel is relaxed rather than demanding. It's the kind of SUV that makes long drives feel effortless. Now compare it to something like a Lexus RX. The RX is more refined and carries a premium badge, but it also comes with a significantly higher price tag. The Ford Edge gets surprisingly close in terms of comfort and ride quality, but at a much more accessible cost. For families, this matters more than performance numbers. Daily commutes, school runs, and road trips become easier when the vehicle reduces fatigue instead of adding to it. The Edge excels in exactly that area, If comfort is your top priority, the Edge delivers one of the smoothest and most relaxed driving experiences in this price range. It's built to make everyday life easier, not more complicated. You can easily find a well-kept Ford Edge in the used market for around $10,000 to $15,000. Number 7. Kia Sorento V6, 2014 to 2018. The Kia Sorento is one of those SUVs that quietly delivered far more than people expected when it first came out. At a time when Kia was still building its reputation, the Sorento focused on offering maximum value, more features, more flexibility, and more practicality at a lower price point. And today, that same formula makes it one of the most underrated family SUVs in the used market. The key detail here is the V6 engine. While the base engine exists, the V6 version transforms the Sorento into a much more capable and balanced SUV. It provides smooth acceleration, better performance under load, and a more refined driving experience overall. Combined with a comfortable suspension and a well-designed cabin, it becomes a very usable family vehicle. Inside, you get 3 rows of seating, with a third row that's actually usable for kids or occasional passengers. The interior is practical, with enough features to feel modern without becoming overly complicated. Now compare it to something like a Ford Explorer. The Explorer offers more power and a stronger presence, but it also comes with higher costs, more complexity, and potential long-term reliability concerns. The Sorento gives you similar functionality without those downsides. For families, this makes a big difference. You're getting flexibility, space, and comfort in a package that doesn't feel overwhelming to own. If you need a budget-friendly 3-row SUV that still feels capable and well-rounded, the Sorento V6 makes a lot of sense. It gives you extra seating and usability without pushing you into higher ownership costs. In the used market, you can easily find a well-maintained Sorento V6 in good condition for around $9,000 to $14,000. Number 6. Hyundai Santa Fe, 2015 to 2019. The Hyundai Santa Fe represents one of the biggest quiet success stories in the SUV market. Over the years, Hyundai kept refining it, improving comfort, interior quality, and overall usability without dramatically increasing the price. And because it never became the popular choice, it now sits in the used market as a strong, hidden value. Under the hood, the Santa Fe offers reliable engine options that are smooth and efficient for daily driving. It's not built for aggressive performance. It's built for consistency. The suspension is tuned for comfort, making it ideal for long drives and everyday use. Inside, the cabin feels more modern than many competitors in this price range. You get a spacious layout, good materials, and a design that doesn't feel outdated even today. Some versions also offer a third row, making it a flexible option for families. Now compare it to something like a Toyota Highlander. The Highlander has a stronger reputation and resale value, but it also comes with a noticeably higher price in the used market. The Santa Fe delivers a very similar real-world experience: comfort, space, usability, at a much lower cost. For families, that balance becomes very appealing. You're getting a vehicle that does everything well without forcing you to stretch your budget. If you want maximum value for your money, the Santa Fe stands out. It gives you space, comfort, and practicality that feels like a more expensive SUV without the higher price tag. In the used market, you can easily find a clean Santa Fe in good condition for around $10,000 to $15,000. Number 5. Subaru Outback, 2013 to 2017. The Subaru Outback has always been a bit different, and that's exactly what makes it so effective. Instead of following the typical SUV formula, Subaru built something that blends the comfort of a wagon with the capability of an SUV. And in real-world use, that combination works extremely well. It comes standard with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, giving it strong traction in rain, snow, and rough conditions. The lower ride height compared to traditional SUVs also improves stability and ride comfort, especially on long drives. Under the hood, the engines are simple and proven, focusing more on reliability than performance. Inside, the Outback offers excellent cargo space and a practical layout. It's easy to load, easy to drive, and very comfortable over long distances. It doesn't try to be flashy, it focuses on usability. Now compare it to something like a Volvo XC60. The Volvo offers a more premium interior and branding, but it also introduces higher maintenance costs and more complexity. The Outback delivers similar practicality and comfort without those long-term risks. For families, this becomes one of the smartest choices, especially if you travel often or deal with changing weather conditions. If you want something that's comfortable, stable, and built for real-world conditions, the Outback stands out. It's one of the most practical and dependable options in this price range. You can easily find a well-maintained Outback in the used market for around $9,500 to $14,500. Number 4. Subaru Forester, 2014 to 2018. The Subaru Forester has always been built with a very clear purpose: make driving as easy, safe, and predictable as possible. While other SUVs focused on styling or performance, Subaru focused on visibility, practicality, and real-world usability. That's why even today, the Forester feels incredibly functional the moment you sit inside. One of its biggest strengths is its design. The large windows and upright shape give you excellent visibility in every direction, which makes driving in traffic, tight streets, or bad weather much easier. It also comes standard with Subaru's all-wheel drive system, giving it strong grip in rain, snow, and rough road conditions. Under the hood, the Forester uses a simple and proven engine setup. It's not built for speed, it's built for consistency and durability. Inside, the cabin is spacious, practical, and easy to use, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. Now compare it to something like a Jeep Cherokee. The Cherokee looks more rugged and aggressive, but it often comes with more complexity and less long-term predictability. The Forester, on the other hand, focuses on reliability and ease of ownership. For families, this becomes a major advantage. It's easy to drive, easy to maintain, and works well in almost every situation. If you want something that feels safe, predictable, and easy to live with every day, the Forester stands out. It's one of those SUVs that quietly removes stress from driving. In the used market, you can easily find a clean Forester in good condition for around $10,000 to $14,500. Number 3. Toyota RAV4, 2013 to 2017. The Toyota RAV4 represents one of the most trusted names in the SUV world, and this generation is a perfect example of why. Toyota didn't try to make it flashy or overly complex, they focused on building something that would last, and that approach continues to pay off years later. Under the hood, it features a reliable and well-tested engine paired with a durable transmission. It's designed to handle daily driving, long trips, and years of use without major issues. It's not the most exciting SUV to drive, but that's part of its strength. It avoids unnecessary stress on its components. Inside, the cabin is practical and comfortable. You get enough space for family use, good cargo capacity, and a layout that's easy to understand and use. Everything feels straightforward and functional. Now compare it to something like a Mercedes GLC. The GLC offers a more luxurious interior and better performance, but it also introduces higher maintenance costs, more electronics, and greater long-term risk. The RAV4 trades that excitement for reliability, and for many families, that's the smarter choice. For families, this is where the RAV4 shines. It's predictable, dependable, and built to handle everyday life without surprises. If your priority is long-term reliability and peace of mind, this is one of the safest choices you can make. It's built to keep going without creating problems. You can easily find a well-maintained RAV4 in the used market for around $10,000 to $15,000. Number 2. Honda CR-V, 2012 to 2016. The Honda CR-V has built its reputation on one simple idea: make ownership as easy as possible. And this generation delivers exactly that. It's not flashy, it's not aggressive. It's designed to work consistently day after day without creating stress for the owner. Under the hood, the CR-V uses a proven 2.4-liter engine that's known for its reliability and efficiency. It delivers smooth performance, good fuel economy, and very manageable maintenance costs. It's not about power, it's about balance. Inside, the CR-V offers a very practical layout. There's plenty of space for passengers, a flexible cargo area, and controls that are easy to understand. Everything feels designed for everyday use rather than occasional excitement. Now compare it to something like a BMW X3. The X3 gives you more performance and a premium feel, but it also comes with higher maintenance costs and more complexity. The CR-V avoids all of that by keeping things simple. For families, this simplicity becomes its biggest advantage. It's easy to drive, easy to maintain, and extremely dependable over time. If you want a no-stress ownership experience, the CR-V is one of the best options available. It's simple, reliable, and built to make life easier. In the used market, you can easily find a clean CR-V in good condition for around $9,000 to $14,000. Number 1. Mazda CX-5, 2014 to 2018. The Mazda CX-5 takes the top spot because it does something most SUVs in this price range simply don't. It makes you feel like you bought something more expensive than you actually did. When Mazda introduced this generation, their goal wasn't just to build another practical SUV. They wanted to create something that combined everyday usability with a premium driving experience. And that decision is exactly why the CX-5 stands out years later. Under the hood, it uses a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine that's known for its reliability and smooth performance. Unlike many modern turbocharged engines, it avoids unnecessary stress and complexity, which makes it a safer long-term choice. The handling is noticeably better than most competitors, giving it a more controlled and enjoyable feel on the road. Inside, this is where the CX-5 really separates itself. The materials, layout, and overall design feel closer to something like an Audi Q5 than a typical budget SUV. It's clean, refined, and comfortable, without being overly complicated. You get just enough technology to feel modern without introducing long-term headaches. Now compare it to something like an Audi Q5. The Q5 offers slightly better performance and branding, but it also comes with higher maintenance costs, more complex systems, and greater long-term risk. The CX-5 delivers a very similar experience, without those downsides. For families, this balance is rare. You're getting comfort, reliability, and a premium feel, all in one package. If you want a family SUV that doesn't feel boring, the CX-5 is the perfect balance. It gives you comfort, reliability, and a driving experience that feels above its price range without adding risk. In the used market, you can easily find a well-kept Mazda CX-5 in good condition for around $10,000 to $14,500. So when you really step back and look at the market, something becomes very clear. You don't need to spend $30,000 or more to get a great family SUV. In fact, some of the smartest choices are sitting right in front of you, just overlooked because they're not the newest or most hyped. And that's the real advantage. Because once you stop chasing trends and start focusing on what actually matters, reliability, comfort, cost, and daily usability, you end up making a much better decision. Most people buy what everyone else is buying. Smart buyers look where no one else is looking. And so the question is, are you following the crowd or making the smarter choice?